Ryanair appeals jury's decision. 3 pilots who were found not to have defamed Ryanair in an email circular have urged the Court of Appeal to uphold a High Court jury's decision in the case. The pilots, Yvette Van Zwolle, John Goss, and Ted Murphy, members of the Ryanair Pilots Group, RPG, emerged victorious after a 7-week trial in 2017 in which they contested Ryanair's actions seeking damages against them. The airline said that in issuing an RPG email in 2013 entitled Pilot Update, What the Markets Are Saying About Ryanair to 2,289 Ryanair pilots, the 3 had defamed the airline. It was claimed that the defendants were saying that, by innuendo or insinuation, Ryanair misled investors and knowingly facilitated insider dealing by management. It also wrongly meant that the airline was guilty of market manipulation and conspired with management to abuse the markets, it claimed. The 3 pilots denied it was defamatory or had the meaning attributed to it by the airline. The pilots also argued qualified privilege, which means a statement is protected once it is not motivated by malice and published to those with an interest in receiving it. Ryanair appealed the jury's decision and has urged the Court of Appeal to overturn the verdict on grounds including that the trial judge had irredeemably infected the jury's thinking in a ruling during the trial. That ruling related to an email that was not disclosed in advance of the trial, as required by court rules. Ryanair claims it showed malice and the trial judge was wrong not to discharge the jury over it. On the second day of the appeal, Paul O'Higgins, senior counsel for the 3 pilots, urged the 3-judge Court of Appeal to let the jury decision stand. Among his arguments, Mr. O'Higgins said the trial judge was correct in expunging of certain evidence of Ryanair witness and in refusing to discharge the jury over the undisclosed email. He also disputed Ryanair's claims that qualified privilege did not apply because the identities of some 500 pilots to whom the email was sent had not been established. Today, Mr. O'Higgins will continue his arguments including in relation to disputing the Ryanair claim that the appeal court could not uphold the jury finding because of irrationality. The appeal is expected to conclude today with judgment reserved. For more on this story, visit the news article link.